forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, jump. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now before we get into this video today guys, I just want to make a disclaimer, and the disclaimer is this: I am not a realtor. I'm not working in partnership with any of these developments. Guys, you know that we like to feature developments on this channel. I just want to clarify that we do not work with any of the developers. We're not getting a commission, we're not getting paid for anything that's sold, we're not getting paid for featuring this on our channel. We just like to show developments across the island because we know that we have a lot of subscribers and viewers in the diaspora who are interested, okay? And so we come with a totally unbiased view, okay, on all of these developments. Guys, we put the developments out there to you guys. If you like them, you like them. If you don't, you don't. If you're interested, we'll always leave contact details at the end of the video. But guys, this is purely just to show you what is going on the island of Jamaica in terms of real estate, okay? So just to clarify that again, we're not working with any of the developers. We're not getting paid for it. We're just purely showing you what's out there, okay? Hope you enjoyed the video. So the development that we're going to be featuring on today's channel is called the Bahari. It's a brand new development, still in construction phase or construction stage, and it's located in Cardiff Hall, in Runaway Bay, in the parish of St. Anne. Now, the Bahari is a development that will consist of 206 units altogether, and that will include townhouses, villas, and condominiums. So there'll be 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom condos, there'll be 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom townhouses, and 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom villas. Prices for the unit starts at $436,000 US, and the size of the units vary from 730 square feet to 2,259 square feet, of course, depending on the unit. Now, as usual, we like to show you the drive to the development, and after that, we'll go through some of the further details. The development is on the right hand side where you can see this white wall. That is where the development is. And right opposite on the left hand side is a hotel called Holiday Haven. So some of you who are familiar with the Runaway Bay area may be familiar with this hotel, Holiday Haven Resort. The new development, the Bahari, is opposite the Holiday Haven Resort, as you can see. Now guys, we weren't able to actually go onto the site because they were doing work there and for health and safety reasons, but we were able to get a little glimpse and capture some of what's going on over there and what it looks like at the moment, which we're able to show you. But we do have some pictures of what the finished product will look like, and they are coming up in a short while. Amenities include clubhouse with gym and lounge, on-site medic centre, recreational parks, multi-purpose court, it's gated and secured community, jogging trail, lots of parking, online maintenance facility, private pool, option for private pool for villas and the 3-bedroom townhouses. So you do have the option of putting in a pool if you have one of the villas or the 3-bedroom townhouses, property water storage, and solar water heaters. Now coming up, there is information on each of the individual units, the floor plans and the features of each of the different units at this development. And also coming up is further information in terms of maintenance, monthly costs, also further information on purchasing, whether that be mortgage or cash. Further information is there on that, and also frequently asked questions that will be coming up soon. The completion for the first phase, so there are 3 phases in this development. Completion for phase 1 will be August 2024. Now in phase 1 there will be no condos, no condominiums in phase 1. They will be set for phase 2 and phase 3, but completion for phase 1 is August 2024. Guys, all the information on who to contact will be at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.